So we start off today's video with this Pixie style. So she's at the salon for a nice little cut refresh. And bam, beautiful refresh on that Pixie. Very nice. Now she does have the 90s mushroom style Pixie for this cut. The detailing is what really makes that style pop. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, you come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone getting some hair extensions. Now hair extensions are of course a great way to switch up your look. If you've been trying to grow out your hair for a while and it just won't work, you can definitely add some extensions to get that growth within a matter of minutes. So one of the hottest trends, as you guys know, is the butterfly cut or the layered hairstyle. And what the stylist is going to do here is blend in her hair perfectly with those extensions in order to give her this really nice butterfly haircut. And there is a final result. So not only was she able to lengthen her hair, but she was also able to add some thickness and volume. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have someone with curly hair. Now, if you do have curly hair and you're looking for a nice way to shape it, you can, of course, get layers in your cut as well. Just make sure that you go to someone who knows how to work with curly hair textures. Beautiful, and this is a great way to add some volume to your hair as well. Gorgeous. So I hope that you guys are feeling inspired by the hairstyles that have been showcased so far. So many different ways that you can play around with your hair this season. I'm going to leave you with these last few transformations. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to like today's video, and I will see you in the next one.